In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Ecwid store. Setting up an online store may seem daunting, but with Ecwid, it's a seamless and efficient process. Let's dive in together and create your very own online store step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Ecwid control panel. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. Here, you will manage your store, products, and services. Think of it as the command center for your online business. Once you've logged in, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips, providing a streamlined experience to guide you as you set up your store. Next, navigate to the website settings. This section is pivotal because it allows you to customize how your store appears to potential customers. The settings here will enable you to tweak everything from the look and feel of your website to the functionality that will support your sales. Remember to explore the options thoroughly to ensure that your store reflects your brand perfectly. Now it's time to choose a template. Click on Let's Start with a Template. Ecwid provides an array of beautiful, ready-to-use templates that can fit a variety of product types and styles. Selecting a template is an exciting step because it sets the foundation for the aesthetic appeal of your store. Take some time to browse through the options and select one that resonates with the image you want to project to your customers. Once you've picked your template, click on Edit Template. This step is crucial as it allows you to personalize your chosen design to match your specific needs and preferences. Whether it's changing color schemes to fit your brand colors or adjusting the layout to better highlight your products, editing the template gives you the freedom to make your store uniquely yours. Congratulations! You have now officially created your Ecwid store. The next step involves customizing your template to your liking. This includes adding product listings, pricing, and integrating payment methods. Spend some time exploring these customization options. You'll find that even small changes can significantly enhance user experience, potentially boosting your sales as you align your store's functionality and aesthetics with the customer journey in mind. I hope this walkthrough has provided you with the clarity and confidence needed to set up your Ecwid store. Remember, creating an online store is a dynamic journey that evolves with your growing business. Keep experimenting, modifying, and updating your platform to keep it fresh and inviting for your